welcome back to our channel. I am Mishri and today I'm going to explain you about motions of the earth. So let's see. So in this chapter you are going to see about rotation and revolution. So let's move further to the video. Types of motions. So the earth moves in two different types of motions, that is rotation and revolution. Rotation. Earth's rotation is a rotation of a planet Earth around its own axis. Earth rotates eastward in prograde motion. As viewed from the North Pole star, Earth turns counterclockwise, and its axis is an imaginary line between North Pole and the South Pole. It takes 24 hours or one whole day to complete one rotation. It goes 1036 miles per hour. So let me give you a question based on this line, that how many miles equals to 1 kilometer? If you know this question's answer, please let me know in the comment box. Effects of rotation on Earth. It causes day and night and high tides and low tides. So first let's see about days and nights. As you all know that the earth is a sphere or a ball which spins round and round as it travels around the sun. One side of the earth faces the sun while the other side of the earth faces away into the space. The side facing the sun is bathed in the light and heat. We call this daytime. The side facing away is cooler and darker and experiences night because the earth is constantly spinning. The line between the day and night is always moving around the planet. A day on the earth lasts 24 hours. That is how long it takes for a planet to spin around the rotation once. This is the image of days and night on Earth. So let's move further. High tides and low tides. Now let me explain you about tides first. What are tides? The moon exerts a gravitational pull on the earth that causes the oceans to rise and fall. These rise and fall is known as a tide. So hence it will experience high tide and the low tide. Image of high tides and low tides. Wind speed and direction. So let's see about wind speed first. See, wind speed describes how fast the air is moving past a certain point. It means that it describes that how fast or how slow the wind is moving in a certain point or a particular point. And wind direction describes the direction on a compass from which the wind emanates, for instance from the north or from the west. Here is the image of wind speed, you can see. Revolution. So guys, do you know about revolution? If no, then let me explain you. Revolution is the movement of the earth around the sun. The earth's axis of rotation is tilted by 23.5 degrees. The tilt causes the difference between seasons of the year. The path of the earth moving around the sun is called an orbit. The earth's orbit is elliptical. It takes a year or 365 and 1/4 day to complete one revolution. The speed of the Earth's revolution is about 18 miles per hour. Effects of revolution on Earth. It causes change in seasons, Solastics and Equinox. 3 factors that causes season. They are revolution of the Earth around the Sun, the tilt of the Earth's axis of rotation respects to the plane of the ecliptic. The tilt of the Earth's axis remains constant. If it will be straight, then there is no use. So it should be tilted or slightly slanted every time. Revolution causes summer solstices and winter solstices and spring and autumn equinox, and as you all know, the changes of the seasons in the year. Now let me explain you solstices and equinox. So let's start. Solastic, one of the 2 days in the year when the sun is at the highest or the lowest point at the sky at noon 12 pm. So it means that either of the 2 times in a year, that is summer solstice and winter solstice, when the sun reaches its highest or the lowest point in the sky at afternoon, marked by the longest and shortest days. And let me explain you about equinox. Equinox means the 2 days in the year when day and night are in the same length of time. It means that there are 2 days in a year when day and night are in the same length, are equal length of time. So yes, did you all understood rotation and revolutions well? Thank you. Hope you like this video. So please like, share and comment to our channel.